a problem with the Golf. So here we go. We got the Golf. See, my glove compartment's open. If you have a Golf, a VW Golf, you might have run into this problem, or a Jetta. Any MK4, you know, fourth generation, I guess they call it, some people. Yeah, fourth gen, type 4, whatever, MK4. This happens. So this little thing doesn't work anymore. And what's going on here is that these little pins are not popping back out. So it doesn't stay latched. Or it gets stuck open and this doesn't do anything. So luckily mine, it was stuck actually. It wouldn't open and then it just popped open one day and it's been like that ever since. So let's fix it. So how are we gonna fix it? Well, I went on eBay and I found some parts because I don't shop on Amazon. Ordered a part to fix this and it never came until today. And so I ordered another one and it came a few days ago. So now I have two. So I paid more for this one, so I'm thinking this one's better. So let's find out. All right, so here's what came in the package. This is the one I paid a couple extra dollars for. I think it was like 17 bucks. And this is the one I paid like 15 bucks for. Same, I'm just gonna go with these ones over here just because I like the way these look better. So let's put it together. All right, so the first thing you want to do is get yourself a T15 Torx, I guess it's called, for this right here. And that's going to take this off and this off. So let's do that. All right, so now we got both of the screws off. So that's where the new magnets are going to go. These are magnets, so that's where it's going to go. I'm assuming the thicker one goes here, and then we're going to have to drill some holes, baby, right here to put the the shorter ones, I guess you could say, the lower ones. Let's see. All right, first step is we're going to put these, and that's going to go right here. So let's put those ones. I'm going to put the longer screws in there. Okay, it's on there good. Take the other one. You don't want to over torque it because it's plastic. So you'll strip the plastic here. All right. So the piece that I took off, it usually would hit right here. And there's, if you look closely, there's like dirt and grime right there. So that's where the thing hits. So that's where you want to drill your hole at. So let's try to do that. It's a little difficult because it's a tight spot. What you can try to do is put your drill bit in as far as you can get it. Give you more room. All right, and then this one, let's put it right in the center. Alrighty, hopefully that is in the right spot. Then I'm going to take my short little screws here and the flat washer with a little indentation in it, and that is going to go right there. So let's put that in. All right, that's what these little short screwdrivers are for, situations like this. And then you put it in there. Alrighty, looks like we're in. Put the other one in. You see this screw here, it needs to come down at an angle like this, and I drilled a hole straight up and down because I couldn't get it in there that way. But you can be able to, should be able to just force it down, give you that angle that you need. I'm just gonna bend the plastic a little bit or something. All right, so I was able to get it pretty close. It's not perfectly flat. There's a little lip right there, but it should work. You put the magnets, you stick the magnets in here. You don't actually put them on here. So the fact that it's actually not perfectly flush is okay, because really you just needed to grab the magnets that are in there. See if it works. Boom. Good to go. I'll open it. Boom. I'm not using that much pressure, but I'm using enough pressure to, you know, you have to tug on it a little bit to open it. Now for this thing, it's not going to stay. So what you do is, let's lock it, because it doesn't work anyways. So it's not actually going to lock. It's just to keep the thing from falling down. All right, so what I did is I drilled the holes, pre-tapped it. I don't know if you have to do that. It might make it easier. So you screw that in there, you put the black washer in there, the flat one, put the other one on this side. Then you take the other magnets and you just drop them in these holes. And they're gonna stay in there. It's kind of actually hard to get them out, but they're gonna stay in there. If your kit comes with stickers, put them right here to cover this shiny thing up, because originally it's a black rubber grommet, so if you put the black sticker, it won't stand out as much. There you go. You got these on here. You got this one there, and it'll close and it'll stay closed. And it's on there pretty good. I mean, you have to put a little bit of pressure to pull it out, so it's gonna stay. All right, folks, so that's it. That's another DIY video for you. Hopefully this video helped you out. Go on eBay. I'll put a link in the description for where you can get this little kit that I got. It was like 15 bucks, and it'll fix your glove compartment problem. Please, if this video helped you out, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this, and leave a comment if you have a question, or if you have any suggestions, or anything you want. Leave a comment, or if you hate me, whatever, leave a comment. And if you want to share the video, share the video. All right. Oh yeah, and don't forget to hit the bell so when I do post a new video, you will see it. All right, peace. Done.